Come on, Australia, let's get your business back. Did you know that each year around 20,000 businesses fail in Australia? So every 3 years, that's just around 60,000 failures. That's a staggering figure. And that means 60,000 dreams wiped out, 60,000 families experiencing incredible strain and stress. And if every one of those businesses on average employed just 5 people, that's roughly 300,000 people without a job and without an income to support their families. That's scary. But the even scarier part is that in 98% of the cases, this could have been prevented. The reason businesses are failing at such an astronomical rate is because entrepreneurs and business owners don't know where to look for help, period. We're here to change that. Learn how membership in Get It Together is going to save you from failure and is also the fastest way to 10x your business. To discover how we can make such a bold claim, click on the link below this video. Come on, Australia, let's get your business back.